Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. A quick game day recipe, a chicken wrap, is on the menu today. Alright, here's what we need. Let's make the flour part of it first. I'll list everything you need and the amounts in the description box down below. So, alright, let's get some flour and seasoned salt into a bowl. We're going to mix this up, and after we mix this up really well, we're going to put it into a freezer bag. All right, now for the chicken strips. You can use the strips, you can use breast, you can use what you want. You do want to cut them small because we are using flour taco shells. If you're going to use burrito shell, make it bigger, then you're going to use bigger chicken pieces, obviously. All right, seasoned salt, garlic powder, onion powder. You can eyeball this. We're going to put mayo on the sandwich along with tomatoes and lettuce. On the wrap. All right, we want to make sure we get this seasoning coated evenly on every single piece. All right, we need it. We need all the flavor. And so that's why we put so much in the flour too. Because you know when you have breast or chicken strips like this, you've got a piece, unless you marinate it or you inject it, then you can get a bland piece of meat possibly. You won't want to do that. All right, here we go, where we're going to put the flour into the bag with the chicken. We want to mix it up because we're getting ready to fry it. Is your oil hot? How do you know? All right, so if you don't know, you can throw some flour in there. If it bubbles up, if it does that, then it's ready. You can use the end of a wooden spoon, all right? Not too close to the edge, but close to the middle. If it bubbles around there like that, your oil is ready to fry whatever you're going to fry. Easy, right? Yeah. All right, so on to frying the chicken since the oil is hot. I'm going to put that chicken in there. Obviously, they're strips. They're going to cook very, very quickly. So when these pieces are golden brown, your chicken is ready. Take them out, and you'll be ready to assemble the wrap. That is lemon pepper seasoning. All right, so I'm going to shake a generous amount of lemon pepper seasoning on it. Make sure your lemon pepper is not salty. All right, here we go. That flour tortilla. All right, we're going to put mayo on here. If you got a spicy mayo, you want to put mustard, you want to put something else on here, you want to add to it, you definitely can. All right, but for now, just for the beginners, we're going to put mayo on here. I'm going to put some chicken. Look at that. I'm going to sprinkle some tomatoes on there, and we're going to put a little bit of lettuce. All right, obviously, you can chop your lettuce up. You can make your tomatoes into slices, or you can chop them like I did into sort of cubes. But all right, so now we're going to fold it. We're going to fold the front part away from you. You're going to fold those two sides in, then you're going to roll, and as you're rolling, you're going to stick the sides in. All right, now another thing you can do with this is you can fry this in a little bit of oil if you want to make it crispy, or else, trust me on this one, you can leave it like that and it's very good. So if you find the flavored tortillas like this, they work even better. All right, cut it in half. Check out what we got, everybody. Look at that steam from that chicken. It's hot and ready to go. This is what it looks like. Y'all better go make this. Game day, yes. Thanks for watching, everybody. See y'all next time. For more great recipes, tips, and ideas, check out some of my other videos.